we are going to unbox this SWM01-U2HH professional wireless microphone system, and I will describe its main features as well. And I will show you how to connect the microphone system to this powered PA speaker system as well. So here's what we got here. We have a receiver, which is to receive the signal from the wireless microphones. Then we have two handheld wireless microphones. I see two anti-roll rings, two wind muffs. It also comes with a charging cable to charge the microphones. It includes a microphone adapter to provide flexibility and a user manual to help you set up the microphone system. And these are the main interesting features of this microphone. Built-in Bluetooth, adjustable echo, treble and bass for karaoke fun. It can also cover up to 200 feet line of sight operation range. This is perfect for karaoke and even for speaking to a crowd, DJ music, and house parties. It is also very easy to set up with a mini portable and rechargeable receiver. Let me first show you how to connect the microphone system to the powered PA speaker system. This step should be very simple. All you need to do is insert this microphone receiver into one of the microphone slots.